Are you sad you're missing the National Ploughing Championships this year? Yes? We are too. I'm Alison from Farm Wardrobe and I'm going to take you on a close-up virtual tour of the products that we have for the Irish Herefords. So to start off, we have the Regatta Octagon soft shell jacket available in men's and ladies. It starts at size extra small and goes up to 5XL, and for ladies it starts at size 8 going up to size 22. To complement it, we have the Irish Hereford Octagon body warmer. It starts at size small and goes up to 5XL, and in ladies it starts at size 8 going up to size 22. On a casual note, we have the Bikini hoodies, adult hoodies available in navy and in burgundy navy option. They start at size extra small and go up to 3XL. We also have the Irish Hereford polo shirts available starting at extra small. They go up to 6XL, available in burgundy and navy. And for the kids, we have the kids Bikini hoodies starting at age 5 to 6, going up to 11 to 12, also in navy and burgundy colour options. Remember, all these products can be personalised with your farm name, your herd prefix, and especially coming up to the bull sale time, it's a great time to promote your herd. Also, they make fantastic Christmas gifts. So if you want to go online, you can purchase at farmwardrobe.com.